Reports: 5 dead after tornadoes strike Nashville, Middle Tennessee. 2 of the deaths were in East Nashville and 3 were reportedly in nearby Putnam County. 5 people were reportedly killed early Tuesday morning after at least 2 tornadoes touched down in Tennessee, including one that caused damage near downtown Nashville. Metro Nashville police tweeted there were 2 fatalities in East Nashville. Multiple news outlets, citing the Putnam County Sheriff's Department, said 3 people had died in that county east of Nashville. The tornado reportedly stayed on the ground into Hermitage, about 10 miles east of the city. A video posted online appeared to show a well-defined tornado in eastern Nashville. The National Weather Service issued 2 tornado warnings for Putnam County, east of Nashville. The tornadoes were confirmed on radar. WTVF reporter Chris Kant tweeted a video of the newscast announcing that the tornado was hitting the station. Kant also tweeted photos saying Nashville had taken a direct hit and that the downtown was devastated. As the storm progressed, the term "take cover now" was repeatedly sent out on Twitter by the National Weather Service and other agencies. Police officers and fire crews were responding to damage in multiple buildings, Metro Nashville Police said. The Associated Press reports John Seton Airport sustained significant damage due to severe weather, according to an airport spokeswoman. Several hangars have been destroyed and power lines were down. Nashville Electric tweeted that 4 of its substations were damaged and more than 44,000 customers were without power. A reported gas leak in the Germantown community of Nashville forced an evacuation shortly after the tornado moved through the city. Photos showed dozens of people in the street carrying belongings. YouTube personality Olan Rogers posted a photo of damage to the soda parlor, known for its craft sodas.